Hi everyone, my name is Magdalene Janet. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this waterproof long wear makeup look featuring all L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get started. This is how we're starting off. Skin is ready. We're first going to move this hair off to the side. We're gonna start off with the Infallible Brow Lamination. It comes with this perfectly tapered brush. Really embed this product. I always like to give it about 15 seconds to dry down. Now we brush up to get that nice long wear laminated eyebrow. Pressing this product in will really help your brows stay. Moving on to these faux brow hair-like brow filling pens. I'm gonna swatch here the shade Dark Brunette. This color is beautiful. It has a nice neutral undertone. Next is Brunette. It has a tint of red, which I really like. I have a neutral undertone, so red tends to work very well. Let's use Brunette. I have here two bristles that is going to help us get very hair-like strokes in our brows, make our brows look very natural. I just love this before and after. It's very subtle because it's ink. It tends to last a lot longer, so we have that long-lasting eyebrow. Once the eyebrows are on, I feel good. Moving on to L'Oreal Paris' newest makeup product. It is the Infallible Skin Ink Long Wear 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. We're gonna use it as a primer foundation today because I need to show you how long wearing and waterproof this is. You first want to shake it up a little bit. The first shade I have is Cool 180. Next up is 265 Neutral. Mixing this will give me my very perfect tone. 180 Cool. We're gonna start in small sections. That's the trick to this because it does dry down very quickly. Oh, look at those perfect lines. Because I have a neutral undertone, both of these will create my perfect tone. You see this pigment right here? My melasma is gone. So we're creating a very strong, long wear waterproof base. See that coverage? It looks so natural. And the best way to have a long wearing base is to press that product in. This will allow the product to lay on your skin well without any streaks and it look as natural as possible. Wow, look how subtly beautiful this before and after is. Soft matte with great coverage versus a little bit of discoloration and a little shine. Base is already so perfect. Moving on to my favorite Infallible full wear concealers. Are truly one of a kind and a cult favorite. We have Biscuit 370, Cashew 265. I love both shades. I can use either or. Let's use the shade Cashew because that's typically my favorite shade. A little bit here, get that discoloration that's way deep in the under eye area. Because this is a very pigmented long wearing concealer, a little bit truly goes a long way. I like to add a little bit here to give the appearance of a higher cheekbone. Something I love to do is to get that foundation brush and blend in all of the concealer I placed around the face, so you have your foundation and concealer mesh in very well. This is also going to help highlight, so we bring some brightness to our face. A long wear waterproof makeup will work the best when you do it in thin layers. Blending is the #1 tip I have for you to have long wear waterproof makeup. Not only is it going to look good, it's going to last you hours. This beautiful concealer blended out. I got rid of the discoloration I have. See how we have this nice thin base? Our skin still looks like skin. Nothing looks too heavy. We can't have long wearing makeup without loose setting powder. And this new Infallible Blurfection Long Wear Loose Setting Powder will get us there. This is a talc-free loose setting powder. Let's give it a little shake. This is the tone Light Translucent. You see how feathery soft that looks? It literally feels soft. The second shade is Medium Deep. Because I have a medium to tan skin tone, I like my setting powders a little bit deeper so I don't have any white cast. A trick I have with setting powder when I know it's a good powder is you see how it sticks on your finger? There's no particles falling. and then you swatch it where you just see that softness of this powder. I always say setting powder can make or break your makeup, because it can make your makeup look super soft, which this powder does. So we have a nice highlighted look in that under eye area. Press it in. This is gonna help us have that long wear waterproof makeup. You see the bit of a difference, that highlight we have here versus here? Powders will do that for you. A little baking action right there. I like to use a puff because it will give you a much flawless full coverage look. Press it in, press all over the face so that we set this down. Setting powder allows our makeup to sit well, give us like a nice flawless look. Most importantly, we're setting it down so it does not move. Before and after. Smooth. To give our skin a little bit of warmth, we're gonna use the also lovely Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer. I'm in the shade medium. For a little swatcheroo. It's so soft. When I say soft, it feels like butter on your hand, and typically that's how it's going to blend on your face. This is definitely a long wear bronzer. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Give our skin that bronzed look, like we've been in the sun for a little bit. To give the skin a little bit of liveliness and color, I'm gonna go in with the Infallible Fresh Wear Blush. I'm in the shade Fearless Coral, one of the most pigmented blushes in the market. Look at this. No stops. Oh my gosh. I love. A little bit goes a long way. I always like to tap and then tap on my hand to have that product blended in well so it goes evenly on your skin. We're gonna tap. I know this blush gives us so much pigment. Ooh. We have this beautiful soft matte. We're gonna give our skin some glow using the Infallible Highlighter Powder in the shade Rose Gold. And look how beautiful that is. I typically like to get the same blush brush, grab a little bit of this powder to add that luminosity to the skin, blend it out as well, and it gives us that instant glow that your skin typically would create with some skin warmth. It's melting in. Adding a pop of eyeliner. These Infallible Grip Mechanical Gel Eyeliners are my go-tos because they last. These are two of my favorite shades, Nude and Denim Brown. A nude tone would give you a wide awake look. A brown would give you more of a sultry look. So depending on what you're going for, more of a sultry look today because my eyes are very simple. Right here on the waterline, we can always tight line here. That's just gonna give us little intensity to the eye. You see the before and after? We cannot have a waterproof makeup day without using a waterproof mascara. This is a Telescopic Original Waterproof Mascara. Really embed that product into your lashes. This one is so thin, it really grabs each and every lash. We cannot finish a long wear waterproof makeup without Infallible 3-second setting spray. I'm gonna have to say this is probably the star of the show. It takes 3 seconds to dry. Ooh, skin feels nice. Let's do a napkin test. Then we're gonna do a waterproof test. I have my clean napkin right here. Look, proof is in the napkin pudding. This is truly transfer proof. Now let's see the waterproof. I have my little water bottle spray. Ooh. Water. Okay, napkin. Oh my gosh, nothing's there. What's funny is my face feels wet versus this, it dried so quickly. This, obviously it's water, but look, proof is in the pudding. Waterproof lashes, look, nothing's coming off because my lashes are wet too. You just saw this is truly a waterproof base using only L'Oreal Paris product. If you want to learn more about every single product I use here and where to buy, head over to l'orealparisusa.com for more info. Links are down below.